Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to verify your identity on Vinted in 2026. So first of all, come here either on vinted.com or inside your Vinted application. Just make sure that you sign in into your account first. Now over here, click on your profile icon, then select the option of wallet. Now, when you are here on the wallet section, you need to simply just select the option of activate wallet, and then you need to start filling out this particular information. It requires you to provide your first name, your last name, your date of birth, the last 4 digits of social security number. They have also given you this prompt that says we don't store this information, and the SSN is only required for by our payment service provider for identity verification purpose. So after providing these details, simply provide your billing details as well, and then simply select the option of activate wallet. Now, other than this, you need to make sure that your payments methods are also basically added, and inside the settings, you need to make sure that all the information are that you have entered are correct. So this way you will be able to easily verify your identity on Vinted. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.